Hey, so I'm going to real quick go over how to add a new module to the AutoRacer project. This is going to be kind of an unorganized video, but hopefully I'll go through it well. So right now, the reason I decided to do this now is because I'm adding a new module for part of TrackSim. So I'm going to add the SBCIO single board computer IO module. So I'll start by the easiest way to create a new module is just to copy an old one. So driving is a full module, so I'll copy paste. Sometimes copying and pasting it in IntelliJ does some weird things, so I'm not going to do that. I'll rename it SBCIO. Then I will go source main Java SBCIO org avphs driving SBCIO. I will now come into IntelliJ and I'll switch to the project view for this so I can see all the files. I go down to the bottom to settings.gradle and I'm going to type in include SBCIO. Now, Gradle's going to do some things. Now it recognizes SBCIO as a module. So I can come down here, go into build.gradle, change the module name to SBCIO, and change the source directory to SBCIO. And your module should be all lowercase, no space, because that is the Java package and module name standard. So then we will go to module info, change this to SBCIO. And if this were a normal module, so SBCIO isn't a normal module because it contains Arduino stuff and old TrackSim stuff and other things from last year. But if this were a normal module, you would export here the main package, so in this case SBCIO, which I will still do here, but then you would provide car module with your module. We're not doing that because we're not necessarily going to have a module. So then I will delete all of these, and just for testing for right now, I'll just put a class in here, and just so that it's not an empty package. Um, so I'll call this SBCIO. So there is our module, and see there's no errors there. It's all good. So if right now I have other errors in my project because I'm in the middle of getting TrackSim to work, but if this were a normal project, that would be all you need to do to, or if this were a working project, I mean no errors, that would be all you need to do to add a new module, and you could run. And if this were extending car module, then it would, or implement a car module, I mean, then it would get detected, or it would get found by the um, service locator in core right here, um, and would get updated by core. So that is all you need to do.